going? It's Quan. Can't forget the Cozart come back with another YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna be going to a car meet, me and my brothers. As y'all can see in the first clip, we're washing our cars in preparation for it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know any recommendations of things that y'all want to see in the future or anything that I can do better. And yeah, y'all stay blessed. See y'all in the next clip. Real intro.
Look, went to LA just to work with Big Hit. Bitch, pussy always stinks, so I call her Big Fish. It's a drought on Wakart, so I gotta sip Trish. I heard Tyler got that water, bae, I'm trying to get drenched.
I need the water right now!
But we friends though, Cully Black badge, I can't fit inside the Lambo. Niggas ain't touching no money, like your hands broke. Nigga don't take care of his kids, what you stand for?
Get the angles right, bro. that's the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Leave any recommendations on what y'all want to see next. Give any advice if you can. And yeah, y'all stay blessed. See y'all in the next video.
I do it to go #1.